to Next Gen Reviews, where we bring you the latest updates on the hottest rides. Today, let's dive into the 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350, a motorcycle that beautifully blends nostalgia with modern performance. Design. The Classic 350 has always been known for its vintage charm, and the 2025 model stays true to its heritage. From the signature teardrop fuel tank to the elegant chrome accents, every detail exudes timeless appeal. But this year, Royal Enfield has refined the design with improved paint quality, sleeker fenders, and subtle modern touches, while keeping the retro aesthetic intact. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Classic 350 is its trusted 349 cubic centimetre, single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, delivering a smooth yet commanding ride. Producing 20.2 brake horsepower and 27 Newton-meters of torque, this machine offers a relaxed cruising experience. The refined 5-speed gearbox ensures seamless gear shifts, making city rides effortless and highway cruising enjoyable. Technology meets tradition. While the Classic 350 retains its old-school charm, it doesn't fall behind in modern features. The 2025 version comes with a semi-digital instrument cluster, turn-by-turn navigation, and an optional USB charging port. The new dual-channel ABS and improved suspension system enhance safety and ride comfort, giving you confidence on any road. Final verdict. The 2025 Royal Enfield Classic 350 is not just a motorcycle, it's an experience. Whether you're a seasoned rider or a beginner, this bike offers the perfect mix of nostalgia and modern refinement. So, is this the best Classic 350 yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Stay tuned to Next Gen Reviews for more exciting updates. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next one.